Hey there, welcome back to smarthome. Today, we're going to tackle a common challenge many Spectrum customers face: how to contact Spectrum customer service. Whether you're having issues with your internet, cable, or just need some assistance, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for some useful tips and tricks. Step 1. Check Spectrum's official website. The first step is to visit Spectrum's official website. Head over to spectrum.net and navigate to the Support or Contact Us section. Here, you'll find a plethora of self-help resources, FAQs, and guides that might address your concerns without the need for direct customer service. Step 2. Spectrum customer service phone number. If you prefer speaking to a representative, grab your phone and dial Spectrum's customer service phone number. You can find this number on your monthly bill or the official website. Once you're connected, follow the automated prompts or say "representative" to speak to a live agent. Step 3. Spectrum customer service live chat. For those who prefer typing over talking, Spectrum offers a live chat option on their website. Visit the support section and look for the live chat feature. It's a convenient way to get real-time assistance without picking up the phone. Simply type your queries, and a representative will assist you. Step 4. Social media platforms. Don't forget about social media. Spectrum has active profiles on platforms like Twitter and Facebook. Direct messaging them or leaving a comment might get their attention, and they can guide you on the next steps. Just ensure you don't share sensitive information publicly. Step 5. Spectrum mobile app. Spectrum also has a mobile app that can be a game changer. You can manage your account, troubleshoot issues, and even contact customer service through the app. It's user-friendly and can be a quick solution to many problems. Conclusion. There you have it, folks. Multiple ways to contact Spectrum customer service. Whether it's through the website, phone, live chat, social media, or their mobile app, Spectrum has you covered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching. And until next time, happy troubleshooting.